Assuming you're searching for Polkadot cost expectations estimate for 2022 and need to know where the costs of Polkadot DOT will go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Polkadot DOT and will find out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. DOT United States dollar is as of now estimated at $9.87 and has expanded by 28.14% throughout the last day. The exchanging volumes have diminished by 29.38% over the course of the last day. The specialized markers give a few indications of recuperation in the close-to-term short-term view. Will Polkadot have the option to break liberated from bear's grip? The Polkadot cost today is $9.87 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,693,115,882 United States dollars. Polkadot is up 28.14% as of now. The exchanging volumes have diminished over the course of the last day, while the volume to market cap ratio remains at 0.1737. Polkadot has been printing different bear banners since it arrived at its untouched high of $55 on November 4, 2021. The Polkadot cost has recuperated somewhat throughout the last day after a bloodbath resulted on the lookout. In any case, the altcoin severed down its ongoing bear banner equal channel, an objective of the low $8 might be on the cards. Nonetheless, should bullish feeling resume, the bulls should handle protections at the center and top of the ongoing equal channel, situated at $12 and $15 individually. The opinion is as yet one of negativity, which is portrayed precisely by the Polkadot costs at present, executing beneath the 50 SMA however, over the 20 SMA on the 4-hour graph. After a time of disturbance, Polkadot cost has seen a few augmentations today. The RSI has marginally recuperated from the profound oversold district it wound up in the beyond couple of days and is at present executing at 30.81. The negative wave has not died down yet, as the MACD pointer shows MACD and signal lines as executing in the negative zone. Be that as it may, there has been a help to the financial backers, with the diminishing size of the red histograms approving thusly. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Polkadot to the level at $8.67, where it as of now sits. As currently referenced, DOT is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 11th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric not entirely settled, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Polkadot, the market capitalization remains at $8,558,037,749. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. What is Polkadot DOT? Polkadot is an open-source sharded multi-chain convention that interfaces and gets an organization of specific blockchains, working with cross-chain move of any information or resource types, not simply tokens, in this way permitting blockchains to be interoperable with one another. Polkadot was intended to give an establishment to a decentralized web of blockchains, otherwise called WEB3. Polkadot is known as a Layer 0 metaprotocol in light of the fact that it underlies and depicts an organization for an organization of Layer 1 blockchains known as parachains, equal chains. As a metaprotocol, Polkadot is likewise fit for independently and forklessly refreshing its own codebase by means of on-fasten administration, as per the desire of its symbolic holder local area. Polkadot gives an establishment to help a decentralized web, constrained by its clients, and to work on the making of new applications, foundations and administrations. The Polkadot convention can associate public and confidential chains, permissionless organizations, profits and future innovations, permitting these free blockchains to trustlessly share data and exchanges through the Polkadot relay chain, made sense of additional down. On May 26, DOT was esteemed at $9.87 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 10.40%. A week prior, on May 20, Polkadot was exchanged at. Who are the founders of Polkadot? Polkadot is the lead convention of Web3 Foundation, a Swiss foundation with a mission to work with an open source, completely utilitarian and easy to understand decentralized web. Polkadot's pioneers are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabon. Wood, Web3 Foundation's leader, is the most notable of the triplet on account of his industry impact as Ethereum Prime supporter, Parity Technologies pioneer, and the maker of the brilliant agreement coding language Solidity. Wood is additionally credited with instituting the term Web3. Habermeyer is a Thiel Fellow and achieved blockchain and cryptography scientist and engineer. Chabon is the previous technology director at Web3 Foundation, with an abundance of involvement across profoundly particular fintech ventures. On May 26, the market capitalization of Polkadot remained at $9.744.03 when 901. A week prior, on May 20, the capitalization of DOT was $9,916,882,263. A month prior, on April 27, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $16,443,789,087. The absolute stockpile of DOT presently remains at 103,303,471 coins. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey is 987,579,315 DOT. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Polkadot market was enrolled at $1,029,711,638. Yesterday, on May 26, DOT had an exchanging volume of $575,708,120. A week prior, on May 20, the normal everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $853,915,374. According to the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Polkadot is $8.83, and DOT is presently positioned number in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of Polkadot is 987,579,315 with a market cap of $8,717,401,302. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 8% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the DOT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Polkadot is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The DOT is down to nearly 9.04% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Within the most recent 1 month, the cost of DOT diminished by 52.721%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $9.84 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 66.32%, and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $25.01 to most extreme normal cost of $26.69 in the beyond 90 days. Polkadot is somewhere near 78.35% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $47.82 and the base typical value of was around $45.05 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Polkadot cost expectations. DOT estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helps specialized analysis on the past value information of Polkadot. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the DOT coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Polkadot market cap, Polkadot volume and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of DOT, in 2022, the cost of Polkadot is anticipated to reach at least degree of $10.55. The DOT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $12.34, with a typical exchanging cost of $10.98. Polkadot cost has recorded a few increases on Friday and is giving indications of recuperation.